Everyone, this is Dave Crane the Heart. I'm back with some more sort of Black Friday shopping. I've got all kinds of things kind of mixed up in here. So let's go ahead and get started with Concord and Ninth. So they had some things. I think, when I say their store was 30% off for this stuff? I think it was. So this is from their newer release. I didn't buy a lot, but I did buy the triple step floral frame stamp set. This is kind of what you can do with it. I do love these turnabouts. And I think this is not really considered a turnabout, but it's a triple step, so you stamp like one stamp set, then you stamp the other one, and then you can go in and fill in with these other ones. But I got that plus the dies. And then I got this thank you dies that go with the thanks turnabout. And this is what it looks like. So I got those. And then I should have paid attention to what was in the Holly Jolly kit, because I wonder if I got things that I already have in terms of the ink, but let's find out. So in here, I didn't want to, like, what the heck? See if this will open for me enough for me to get in here. So I think I did pretty good. So in here I got eggplant, buttercup, ballet slipper, evergreen, midnight, parsley, sorbet, and marmalade. So all new colors, thank goodness. Next, here. I also got some of the paper. Now, I like getting the mixed cardstock where it's different colors in them, but of course they were out of that. And they did have a sale on their cardstock as well as their ink, so that's why I bought it. But Midnight, I do like that color. Mushroom and Dove, I do like having these grays on hand. They come in really handy, and I never seem to have any grays. The next is I did 2 orders from scrapbook.com. So the first order, I bought some things to organize. So these are like little magazine thingies, which I thought I was making space for them, but I don't know if I'm going to have space for these. But I thought I would do something with my scraps for these little ones because the scraps are out of control. So I bought 2 of those. And then I also got to organize the Distress tins because I got a lot of new ink pads and all the little mini ink pads fit. With this, I got some free things. One of the free things that I got was some Color Pops, red and green. They're kind of like, you know, you do them and they almost are like enamel dot type stuff. Maybe that's stickles, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, I got those and they are missing. So I don't know what all this stuff is. Let me see what else we got in here. Bunch of stuff. But I also got the Magic Mat. It came free as well. So that's kind of fun. And my area is a disaster. Then I did another order. And let me show you what I got in this order. So let's start off with some paper. I did buy some of the new line crate paper. I do really like the double-sided. I do like double-sided. So I did buy just select sheets of Busy Sidewalk, that crate paper. So here's the one with the tags. And then it's got kind of a plain one, so I don't feel bad about using it. Poinsettias. And then presents. It's got this lovely plaid. The little cookies. This red plaid. And these snowflakes. This is actually a mint green, not a blue. It looks blue in my camera. Some reindeer. Merry Christmas all over the place. Some more poinsettias, candy canes with red and white snowflakes. this cutie pie one. And then that. So I'm going to put this back in here so I can keep this in good shape until I can actually like put it away, because I am in a state of flux in this room. I am organizing things because things are disastrous in here, so I need to clean it up. Okay. The other things that I bought was the Busy Sidewalks ephemera, and I also got the adhesive roller. Sometimes I like to just have these on hand, and then I got the little Pop Dots foam adhesives, and then I got the ones that are a little bit bigger. And then the freebies. So for the freebies, they gave me the scrapbook and cards magazine. I got this Simple Stories Hello December ephemera, the Paper Rose die, and this paper pad. So it is a lot of stuff. So very cool. And so those are all the freebies. I'm going to look at that probably. So that is my haul from scrapbook.com. Thank you for watching. This is Sandy Graham.